My name is Raul Diaz, CEO of Bay Valley Roofing and Solar. We specialize in residential roofing, home energy solutions, including the world's first nailable solar shingle. My dad started the company in 1989, was a framer by trade to start, and then moved over into roofing in the 90s and really kind of took it from there. That's pretty much the experience that I had growing up in the industry. We continue to grow and bring people on with similar goals and culture that we want to create in this company, and we really set the expectation that everybody needs to have a genuine joy and appreciation for what we do for customers, and with that comes the love and the experience that's needed to create these services for customers.
My name is John Piramite. I'm a project consultant at Bay Valley Roofing. Our number one method of selling at Bay Valley is education. We like to educate the client on how a roof is supposed to be installed. The proper methods of installation, there are ventilation issues that have to be dealt with, along with many other aspects in the roofing company. Make sure that they make the best decision for them and their family and their household. One of the things that sets us apart in the roofing industry is our Master Elite status given to us by GAF. GAF is the largest shingle manufacturer and roofing component manufacturer in North America, and they've only been around since 1886. Less than 2% of roofing contractors in North America qualify for Master Elite status. With that status, we install a roofing system. We do not just install shingles. With that roofing system, we are able to give you a Golden Pledge warranty, which covers 50 years, 100% coverage on material defects, as well as 25 years coverage on workmanship. A typical roofing warranty is going to give you 10 years from the manufacturer that actually gets prorated after that. So we do have an added benefit to going with Bay Valley Roofing, having our Master Elite status.
Hello, my name is Carlos Ortega. I am a field technician here at Bay Valley Roofing. The same way that roofing is starting to evolve is the same way solar technology is starting to evolve. The way that I help potential customers understand the advances that are now taking place in solar is to let them know that there's more than one option out there now. Instead of just your traditional solar panels, GAF and other manufacturers are now starting to offer a solar shingle, which fully integrates with the roof as opposed to having traditional standoffs.
I want to take this company in a direction that creates a community within itself, and I want the Bay Area to know that I'm here to build that for our customers, that I want people to experience more than just a roofing company. My goal isn't to make $1 billion in a roofing industry. My goal is to help customers get the best customer experience and be able to provide care for their own families. We do things the Bay Valley way, and it's the right way. We want to make sure that people are getting what they paid for, and we won't stop until we deliver the service that was promised.